In my previous video, I did mention that PHEV comes with this cover. Is it tonneau cover? I'm not sure. A lot of people complaining that there's no cover for the EV, and now we are listening. Every new buyer, you get a complimentary one. This. Let's install. No screw, just stick. Okay? Just put it over here. Here. Put the plastic over here. Yeah. You have to align with this line. Okay? Springs over here, just sticking nice like here and here. Done. Oops. That's it.